Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of protein digestion. It's a process that's happening inside you right now. Proteins are the building blocks of life. You get them from delicious foods like meat, beans, and tofu. But how do these proteins actually become part of you? Let's find out. Think of proteins like Lego structures. They're made up of smaller pieces called amino acids. Your body needs these amino acids to build and repair tissues, make enzymes, and much more. But first, those big protein structures need to be broken down. That's where digestion comes in. Get ready for a wild ride through your digestive system. We'll follow the journey of protein from your plate to your bloodstream. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Our journey begins with your mouth. You take a bite of chicken, for example. Your teeth get to work, breaking down the food into smaller pieces. But the real action starts in your stomach. Your stomach is like a mixing chamber. It churns and mixes the food with gastric juices. These juices contain a powerful acid called hydrochloric acid, or HCl. HCl is so strong it could dissolve metal. Don't worry, your stomach lining is designed to handle it. HCl plays a crucial role in protein digestion. It unfolds those complex protein structures, making them easier to break down. Think of it like unraveling a tangled ball of yarn. But HCl isn't alone in this mission. It gets help from an enzyme called pepsinogen. Enzymes are like tiny helpers that speed up chemical reactions. Pepsinogen is activated by HCl and transforms into its active form, pepsin. Pepsin then starts breaking down the proteins into smaller chains called polypeptides. After the stomach's acidic adventure, the partially digested proteins, now in the form of polypeptides, move into the small intestine. The small intestine is where the real magic of protein digestion happens. But first, the acidic mixture from the stomach needs to be neutralized. That's where our friend secretin comes in. Secretin is a hormone that's released when the acidic chyme enters the small intestine. It signals the pancreas to release bicarbonate ions. Bicarbonates act like antacids, neutralizing the acidic chyme and creating a more alkaline environment. This is important because the enzymes in the small intestine work best at a specific pH level. Section 4, Pancreatic Powerhouse. Now it's time for the pancreas to shine. The pancreas is like the superhero of digestion, producing a variety of enzymes that break down different nutrients. For proteins, it releases a trio of powerful enzymes: trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase. Trypsin and chymotrypsin continue breaking down the polypeptides into even smaller chains called peptides. They're like skilled chefs, chopping those protein chains into bite-sized pieces. Carboxypeptidase, on the other hand, is like a cleanup crew. It removes individual amino acids from the ends of the peptide chains. Section 5. Amino acids on the move. With the help of these pancreatic enzymes, the proteins are finally broken down into their smallest units, amino acids. These amino acids are now ready to be absorbed into your bloodstream. The lining of your small intestine is covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area for absorption. Think of them like millions of tiny straws, all ready to suck up those valuable amino acids. Once absorbed, the amino acids travel through your bloodstream to different parts of your body. They're like delivery trucks, carrying the essential building blocks to where they're needed most. Your muscles use them to grow stronger, your cells use them to repair damage, and your body uses them to make all sorts of important molecules. Section 6. Protein Power Conclusion. So there you have it. That's the incredible journey of protein digestion, from your plate to your cells. It's a complex process involving multiple organs, enzymes, and hormones, all working together to provide your body with the essential amino acids it needs to thrive. Your body is incredibly efficient at digesting protein, but there are a few things that can affect this process. Eating a balanced diet, chewing your food properly, and staying hydrated can all help your body digest protein more effectively. And that's our show for today. Keep exploring the fascinating world around you, and don't forget to check out our next episode for more science adventures.